How to get Miracle Boat in Blox Fruits. First things first is open up any preferred web browser that you can use, or even access any Roblox client that you have on your end. So before you go ahead and head over to any of the luxury boat sellers, specifically on Blox Fruits, you won't be able to find them unless you purchase a specific game pass. So what you want to do is just open up your browser and then just simply look for the search bar right here and search for fast boats. And this is gonna be the game pass that you'll need to purchase so that you will be able to unlock Miracle Boat. So as you can see under description, it unlock access to the luxury boat dealer, and you can choose between the free Miracle Boat or the massive Sentinel. So you need to have at least 350 Robux balance on your Roblox account for you to be able to purchase it. Once you have purchased it successfully, then just simply open the Blox Fruit experience and head over to any of the luxury boat dealer. So that is how you get the Miracle Boat in Blox Fruits.